Hi, some students are having difficulty finding the homework assignment and understanding how to post it, so I wanted to share this short video. So you're going to go to the course homepage, scroll down to where it says Homework Instructions and Submission Folder. Click on that. You'll see the directions, but you need to actually click right here where it says Homework for Week 1. Click on homework for week 1. You'll see the due date, points possible. You'll see the directions of what you need to do to fulfill the homework assignment. Here are links to the 2 videos you need to watch. Now you can choose to write a submission into this area right here, okay, and then submit it. I suggest if you have Word, right, you write it in Word and then you would browse your computer and upload and attach a file right here. The reason why I always suggest that is that just in case there's a technical difficulty and you go to hit submit and your internet or something happens, you don't lose your submission. So whether or not you write it in a Word document and then copy and paste it in the text, but that's fine, but I would always suggest that you have some backup because you never know when technical difficulties will arise. So again, right here in the text submission if you want, and then hit submit, or attach a file and hit submit. And that is how you turn in your homework assignment.